Namaste, this is Maulya, studying in Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering, 7th sem from the Department of Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic waste audits and pollution prevention in textile manufacturing. Today we'll explore the critical role of waste audits in textile manufacturing and how they pave the way for significant pollution prevention opportunities. This presentation will outline a comprehensive approach to waste management, helping you identify the areas for improvement, quantify waste generation, and develop the effective reduction strategies. Why waste audits matter in textile manufacturing? Because of the reduced cost and environmental sustainability. In reduced cost, we will say the waste audits help identify areas of inefficiency and waste, leading to cost saving through material optimization, process improvements, and reduced disposal fees. It's about maximizing the resource utilization and minimizing the operational expenses. Moving on to the environmental sustainability, by understanding the waste stream, manufacturer can implement strategies to reduce their environmental impact. This can include recycling, composting, and sourcing sustainable materials, contributing to a greener textile industry. In this slide, we will understand the textile waste stream. In the first step, we will see about the raw materials processing. That is waste generated during the processing of raw materials such as cotton, wool, and synthetic fibers. This can include fibers, dust, and scraps. Moving on to the second step, that is manufacturing. Waste generated during the production of textiles such as fabric scraps, waste and packaging materials. Moving on to the third step, it is distribution and retail. Waste generated during the transportation, storage, and sales of textiles. This can include damaged goods, unsold merchandise, and packaging waste. The last step is the end of life, that is waste generated at the end of the German's life, such as worn out clothing, discarded textiles, and landfill waste. Moving on to the next part of the presentation, that is identifying the common waste types and sources. First, we will see about the fabric scraps, that is excess fabric from cutting, sewing, and other manufacturing process. These scraps are often sorted and reused for other applications. Next is the dye waste, that is wastewater generated from dyeing processes. This waste often contains harmful chemicals and can contribute to water pollution if not properly treated. Next is the packaging waste, that is waste from packaging materials used to transport and store textiles. This can include carbon boxes, plastic bags, and other packaging materials. End of life textiles include discarded clothing and other textiles. This waste often end up in landfills where it takes hundreds of years to decompose. Conducting an effective waste audit, that is define scope. We have to clearly define the scope of the audit, include the time period, location, and the waste type to be included. Collection of data, gather information about the waste generation types and sources. This can involve weighing, measuring, and sorting the waste according to their types. Next is the analyze findings, and analyze the data to identify uh, patterns, trends, and other area for improvement. This can involve calculating waste generation rates and identifying the key waste sources. Next is the document result. Prepare a detailed audit finding, and it will be helpful for the recommendation. Here is the quantifying waste generation and cost. You can take the note down of this slide. That is the tons and cost, that is quantify the amount of waste generated annually by the factory and calculate the total cost of waste management, including disposal, fees, transportation, and other related costs. Pinpointing pollution prevention opportunities. The first step we will see about the water treatment, that is implement the wastewater treatment system to reduce the discharge of harmful chemicals and pollutants into the environment. The second one is the energy efficiency, reduce energy consumption through process optimization, equipment upgrades and the use of renewable energy sources. And the next is the material recycling, establish recycling programs to divert the wastage of landfills and reuse them for other application resources. Treatment, treatment and efficiency, it is the main part of this slide. Water treatment, energy efficiency and water recycling. Sorry, material recycling. Evaluating process improvements and technology upgrades. Here we can see about the process optimization, equipment upgrades and waste management technologies. In process optimization, streamline production process to reduce waste generation and improve efficiency. In equipment upgrades, invest in energy efficient equipments and technologies to reduce the pollution and resource consumption. In waste management technologies, explore and implement innovative waste management technology such as sorting system and composting solutions. The last part of the presentation, that is engaging employees in sustainability efforts. Employee engagement is crucial for successful waste reduction initiatives. Foster a culture of sustainability through training programs and opportunity for employee feedback. By involving employee in waste audits, process improvements and recycling efforts, you build a shared sense of ownership and responsibility for environmental stewardship. Thank you. Please do like the video.